Ngeke, no. Once you learn to follow the money, impilo yakho changes because you see the patterns, you see the lies. Understand ukuthi every 10 years, every decade, khona abayenzayo. Ngo-1990 they made sure ukuthi sekumele baqede apartheid. Ngo-2000 they made sure to introduce amagama amathathu. Ngo-2010 they introduced swine flu baphinde basilethela i-2010 FIFA World Cup, and it didn't benefit umuntu omnyama, it benefited bona. And then ngo-2020 basifikela nge-COVID-19 sajova. Sanibonani ngizokuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama kuningi. No man, once upon a time isitha bese sibona ukuthi imali yaso isiyaphela, bese sibona futhi ukuthi no man, ne decade isiyaphela, u10 years is almost over. They need to make a plan before kusha u2020 ukuthi bazoyenza kanjani imali entsha, new money. And so they decided to call a meeting. Isitha held a secret meeting la khona kwabizwa ama-elites from across the world bezodiscussa one thing: how can they make imali? And then they realized ukuthi no man, i-Africa inama-resources, amaningi angakwazi ukuthi ababenefite, but how can they take lama-resources without ukuthi kube khona impi, without ukuthi kumele manje bahambe bayocela? No, they have to find a way yokuthi thina sibanike lama-resources mahala. But how? Isitha sahamba sayobiza one of the best scientists. Kwathiwa no man, yazi nina, create for us something ezosebenza fast, something ezokwenza sure ukuthi iyawenza umsebenzi, but it has to be something engeke ikwazi ukutraceka back to us. And so ama-scientists asebenza, apheka, ahlanganisa konke kudinga ukuthi kuhlanganwe, and then boom, i-cocoa was created. And i-cocoa isebenza fast, and i-cocoa iyawenza umsebenzi, and i-cocoa ayitraceki back. Now all they needed was a location whereby bezobeka khona i-cocoa, and then bayiyeke i-cocoa yenza umsebenzi wayo. Hlakanipha mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi it all began Wuhan, China. That was the nexus point, and that was the place they picked ukuthi bazohamba bayofaka i-cocoa khona, knowing exactly ukuthi it's a big enough town yokuthi bazokwazi ukuspread isi-cocoa. Yes. And then i-cocoa yaspreada e-Asia, i-cocoa yaspreada until yazafika kuthini Africa, because we were the goal. Kodwa they had to make it seem like it was an accident.